In Macon, Congressman Sanford Bishop called out Republican leaders today for refusing to negotiate on a funding bill. He warned if Congress doesn't act soon, millions could lose Affordable Care Act tax credits. For one Macon woman, those credits mean the difference between walking comfortably and living in constant pain. Jasmine Lee shows us how the shutdown stalemate in Washington could hit home for her in the heart of Georgia.
This is how I've been walking for months. Just kind of holding my own back in place.
Each step is a reminder of how far Angela Holmes has come and how much she stands to lose.
I started having back problems and the pain got worse and worse and worse and worse. Without insurance coverage through the ACA, I could never have afforded to go to the doctor.
Just 2 weeks ago, Holmes underwent surgery to have 2 titanium screws placed in her back. She still needs 2 more, but worries she won't be able to afford them if lawmakers don't pass a funding bill by the end of the year. That's when the Affordable Care Act tax credits that help millions pay for health insurance could expire.
I don't know if I'm going to have coverage. I don't know if I'm going to be able to afford the coverage. I don't know if I'm going to be able to afford the surgery.
Democratic Congressman Sanford Bishop warns more Georgia families could find themselves in the same situation as Holmes if the shutdown drags on and those tax credits expire.
24 million people who don't get their health care from their employer, from Medicare or Medicaid in this country, but purchase it themselves, are being targeted by this effort.
Without that funding, Bishop says thousands could see premiums skyrocket or lose coverage altogether.
Healthier people will drop out of the insurance market, and the remaining pools will be sicker, will have sicker people in general.
And for Holmes, that warning is personal. Without affordable coverage, she says she could lose the care that's helping her walk again. Reporting in Macon, Jasmine Lee, 13 WMAZ News.
Congressman Bishop says he's pushing for a bipartisan plan that reopens the government and extends ACA tax credits before open enrollment starts November 1st.